What's the fastest way to make your first sale online? Most of us want to be ready before we start making money. And maybe you have the luxury of taking that path, I don't know. But if you're like I was, and hundreds of other entrepreneurs, you need to make money now. So let's talk about that. But first, go down below and click on that subscribe button and click that little bell so you'll be notified the next time I have a video that goes live. Talk to you soon. Hi, I'm Deborah Shaw with DeborahLynnShaw.com. Every time you sit down at your computer, you're bombarded with emails and messages and videos and posts on how to make money fast. Am I right? So how do you know which method to choose? This guru says he's made millions with his email list, and that guru says he's made millions using the perfect funnel. And then there's the guy that has high converting sales pages and it never stops. But you don't have an email list, and you don't have a funnel, and you certainly don't know how to write a high converting sales page. So how do you make that first sale online? All of those would be great to have, but where do you start? All you want to do is make that first sale, am I right? Well, you want to know a secret? You find a high converting offer and you send traffic to it. It's that simple. That's all there is to it. You find a high converting offer, you send traffic to it. And guess what? You're in business. And you do this over and over. Seem simplified? Well, let me explain. In order to get your first sale online, do you need an email list? No. Do you need a funnel? No. Do you need a lead magnet? No. Do you need a blog? No. How about a fancy website? No. It means you need to find a high converting offer and send traffic to it. It is that simple. But there are so many places to find traffic. I know that's what you're thinking, and you're right. So you just pick one. You just pick one way to send traffic, and you send that traffic to the offer you've chosen. Here's how it works. You do a little research for an offer, and it needs to be high converting. That means it sells a lot. And then you choose your traffic method and you study it, but not too long. And then you send that traffic and make some sales. Now master that traffic method before you move on. Stop right there. You've chosen a high converting offer, you've chosen your traffic method, and you're sending traffic over and over. Now study that traffic method. Keep working on that until you master it, so you know what kind of traffic is going to bring, or how to use that traffic method so that you bring in sales. And once you get those sales coming in, then and only then do you add other aspects of your business, start building other aspects of your business. Waiting until you have everything in place is only going to get you discouraged, overwhelmed, and just so frustrated. So while you're running traffic and while you're making money, now you can start to build your business. You can start a blog, collect emails, or all the different things that you want to do to build up your internet marketing business. So do you feel like you still need a little bit of help? Well, I'm here to help you. I'm going to put a link down in the description that says DeborahLynnShaw.com/get started. So feel free to click on that link and sign up for a 1-hour strategy session with me, and we'll go over your business and see what I can help you with. Also, if you received value from this video, please share. And remember, you have everything you need inside yourself to be successful. You are empowered for abundance. Take care.